Hello everyone, I'm Lakita. Today, let's see the installation of Anaconda and also learn how to launch Anaconda from prompt as well as Navigator. Go to Google, put in the keyword as Anaconda. Go with the first link. You can see the download for Windows, Mac and Linux. Go with the Windows. And if you have a Mac system, that's fine as well. It takes time to install. I already have it installed, so I'm gonna skip. Now launch it. It has both Navigator as well as prompt. Let's see the Navigator first. Click on the bell icon to be notified with other projects which I'll be posting every weekend. And also before launching it, you're supposed to install it. Since I had it installed, I did not do it again. Install it and then launch it from the search bar. Let's just wait. Here it is. You can see there are different other IDEs, VS Code, Python, PyCharm community. Let's just go with the Jupyter Notebook. New, Python 3 file. Put in your lines of code, Shift plus enter, and you have the output. Now let's see with the prompt, Anaconda prompt, how to launch it from the Anaconda prompt. Put in the Conda commands. Create name env. Env is the environment name I'm giving. Yes. Conda activate env to activate the environment. And then env is activated. Install. Before you launch the Jupyter Notebook, you're supposed to install it. Let's wait until all the packages are extracted and then download it. Let's launch the Jupyter Notebook now by the command Jupyter Notebook. And here it is. You can have folder as well. So the folder is being created just a second ago. You can go into the folder, new, and then Python 3. We can put in the lines of code here and then get the output. So this is the end of the video, and you can wait for my next video till the end of the week. Maybe the next weekend I'll be posting a project on ML or any other domain. So subscribe to the channel and wait till the end of the week. Happy learning.